Hey Brad, good morning. I just want to show you what exactly I meant for the inbound call browser. Having the Google Voice set up, it's convenient, but I think maximizing our options in the platform is a much better way to do it. You see, I could open um, yeah, another tab for the inbound here. A link for a new tab, and when someone calls in, basically it will show if they're calling on the same phone number that I called and it's registered in our platform. It's gonna show all of their information, and I could do the proper tagging so that the lead won't repeat again. In case I do the in case I would do the I'm gonna do the recycle the dialed attempts. And yeah, so because what's happening right now is when I call our platform, instead of having it here, yeah, after I click this, and after, yeah, Bert. So I want I want the call to appear in the inbound call browser, basically, and because it's from here, I don't have the option. Like, it's gonna take me a while to uh, to get the information from the caller, and also when I'm going to dispose the call, I have to search for the lead and dispose it properly so that it won't repeat back. So yeah, I think have maximizing our option in the platform is the much better way to do it. I just forgot though how when Mark set it up for us for the CDA campaign, I just remember that he went to our like the manage account and for the call forwarding, something like that. This option right here. So yeah, but I'm not going to touch it. So that's it. That's it. That's what I was trying to say. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this. For doing this.